Venice. The name conjures images of gondolas gliding through canals, stunning architecture, and a romantic ambiance. It's a city that captures the heart and imagination. But wait, isn't Venice notoriously expensive? Think again. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean missing out on the magic of Venice. With a little planning and insider tips, you can experience the city's charm without breaking the bank. Get ready to discover affordable accommodations, delicious budget eats, and hidden gems that won't cost a fortune. Venice welcomes you with open arms, no matter your budget. Let's dive into how to make the most of your Venetian adventure without emptying your wallet. Finding the perfect place to stay in Venice without spending a fortune is easier than you think. Forget expensive hotels. Think outside the box and embrace the charm of local living. Hostels are a fantastic option for budget travelers. They offer dormitory-style rooms or private options at a fraction of the cost of traditional hotels. Plus, you'll meet fellow travelers from around the world. Consider short-term rentals for a more independent experience. Websites like Airbnb and VRBO offer a wide range of apartments and rooms for rent, often with kitchen facilities allowing you to save on dining out. Remember, location is key. Staying slightly outside the main tourist areas can save you money, and you'll get to experience a more authentic side of Venice. Indulging in the local cuisine is a must when in Venice, a city renowned for its rich culinary heritage and vibrant street food culture. And the good news is, you don't need a king's ransom to savor the flavors of the city. Venice offers a plethora of budget-friendly options that allow you to enjoy its culinary delights without emptying your wallet. Ditch the fancy restaurants and embrace the world of budget-friendly eats. The streets of Venice are lined with vendors and casual eateries that serve up delicious, authentic dishes. Street food is your best friend in Venice. From savory snacks to sweet treats, there's something for everyone. Grab a slice of pizza al taglio, a popular choice among both locals and tourists. This pizza, sold by the slice, is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal on the go, or a delicious panino from a local bakery. These sandwiches filled with fresh ingredients are a great option for a tasty and affordable lunch. These quick and tasty bites will satisfy your hunger without breaking the bank. Plus, they give you the chance to sample a variety of flavors. Explore the local markets, like the Rialto market, for fresh produce, seafood, and local delicacies. The vibrant market atmosphere is an experience in itself. Pick up some ingredients to create your own picnic lunch and enjoy it by the canal. It's a delightful way to dine while soaking in the picturesque views of Venice. For a sit-down meal, seek out trattorias and osterias, which are traditional Venetian taverns offering simple, hearty dishes at reasonable prices. These establishments provide a cozy and authentic dining experience. Try the local specialties like spaghetti al nero di sepia or bigoli in salsa. These dishes are a true taste of Venice and are sure to leave a lasting impression on your palate. Venice is a city best explored on foot, and the good news is, many of its most captivating sights are absolutely free to enjoy. From the grand architecture to the intricate details of its historic buildings, there's so much to see without spending a dime. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets and discover hidden squares, charming bridges, and picturesque canals. Each turn reveals a new surprise, whether it's a quaint cafe or a stunning piece of street art. Visit the iconic Rialto Bridge not just for the views but also for the bustling atmosphere of the surrounding market. Here you can find everything from fresh produce to unique souvenirs. Cross the Bridge of Sighs and imagine the stories whispered within its walls. This historic bridge connects the Doge's palace to the prisons, and its name comes from the sighs of prisoners catching their last glimpse of Venice. Explore the different sestieri of Venice, each with its own unique character and charm. From the artistic vibe of Dorsoduro to the historic allure of Cannaregio, there's a neighborhood to suit every taste. From the bustling streets of San Polo to the quieter neighborhood of Dorsoduro, there's something for everyone. San Polo is known for its lively markets and vibrant nightlife, while Dorsoduro offers a more relaxed, bohemian atmosphere. For a unique experience, visit the island of San Giorgio Maggiore. This serene island offers a peaceful retreat from the busy city center. The Vaporetto ride offers stunning views of St. Mark's Square, and the island itself is home to a beautiful church and campanile that you can climb for panoramic views of the city. Don't miss the chance to see Venice from this unique vantage point. Navigating Venice on a budget. Mastering the art of public transport. Venice is a city built for walking, but sometimes you need to cover longer distances or hop between islands. The city's layout, with its winding canals and narrow streets, makes walking a delightful experience, but it can also be time-consuming. Fear not, public transportation in Venice is efficient and affordable, especially if you know how to use it wisely. The key is to familiarize yourself with the various options available and plan your routes in advance. The Vaporetto, Venice's water bus system, is a great way to get around. These boats run on regular schedules and can take you to almost any part of the city, including the outer islands. Purchase a travel pass for multiple journeys or a day pass if you plan on using it frequently. These passes offer unlimited travel for a set period, making them a cost-effective choice for tourists. It's significantly cheaper than buying single tickets. Plus, it saves you the hassle of purchasing a ticket every time you board. Consider walking for shorter distances. Venice is a compact city, and many of its attractions are within walking distance of each other. Not only is it free, but it's also the best way to soak up the city's unique atmosphere and discover hidden gems along the way. Every corner of Venice has a story to tell, and walking allows you to experience these stories firsthand. If you're feeling adventurous, hop on a traghetto. These boats offer a unique perspective of the city and are a fun way to cross the Grand Canal. These gondola-like boats are a cheaper alternative to gondolas and are used by locals to cross the Grand Canal. They provide a quick and scenic route across the water. It's a fun and authentic Venetian experience. Riding a traghetto gives you a glimpse into the daily life of Venetians and adds a touch of adventure to your journey. Walking tours embrace the city's charm, one step at a time. Exploring Venice on foot is an experience in itself, but why not enhance it with a guided walking tour? It's a fantastic way to learn about the city's history, culture, and hidden gems without spending a fortune. Look for free walking tours offered by local guides. These tours are typically tip-based, so you can contribute what you feel is appropriate. Consider joining a themed walking tour to delve deeper into a specific aspect of Venice that interests you, such as its art, architecture, or food. Walking tours are also a great way to meet fellow travelers and get insider tips from your guide. They can point you to the best budget-friendly restaurants, hidden shops, and local experiences. Embrace the off-season. Discover the magic of Venice without the crowds. Venice is a popular destination year-round, but visiting during the off-season can offer a more authentic and affordable experience. Consider planning your trip during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall, or even the winter months. You'll encounter fewer crowds, which means shorter lines at attractions, and more opportunities to soak up the city's tranquil beauty. Accommodation prices are generally lower during the off-season, giving you more options to choose from within your budget. The weather in Venice can be unpredictable, but even on a rainy day, the city has a certain charm. Duck into a cozy cafe, visit a museum, or simply embrace the romantic ambiance of the rain-soaked streets. Souvenirs on a budget. Bringing home a piece of Venice without emptying your wallet. No trip to Venice is complete without bringing home a souvenir or two to remember your adventure. But souvenirs don't have to cost a fortune. Skip the overpriced tourist shops and seek out unique and affordable mementos. Visit the local markets and artisan workshops for handmade crafts, jewelry, and artwork at reasonable prices. Look for items made with Murano glass, Burano lace, or Venetian masks. Support local businesses by purchasing food products like Venetian cookies, grappa, a local liquor, or spices from the Rialto market. These make unique and tasty souvenirs. For a truly special and budget-friendly memento, collect postcards or stamps featuring iconic Venetian scenes. They're a charming and affordable way to remember your trip. Venetian experiences on a dime, unforgettable moments, affordable prices. Some of the most memorable experiences in Venice don't cost a dime. Embrace the simple pleasures of the city and create lasting memories without breaking the bank. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets and stumble upon hidden squares, charming bridges, and picturesque canals. The joy of discovery is priceless. Enjoy a picnic lunch by the canal, savoring the flavors of local produce and taking in the views. It's a simple yet unforgettable Venetian experience. Attend a free concert or performance. Venice is a city of music, and you'll often find free concerts in churches, squares, and cultural centers. Planning your trip. Resources and tips for the budget-conscious traveler. Planning your Venetian adventure doesn't have to be overwhelming, even on a budget. Utilize online resources and travel blogs to research affordable accommodations, dining options, and activities. Consider purchasing a travel guidebook specifically tailored for budget travelers in Venice. These guides often include discounts, maps, and insider tips. Connect with other travelers on online forums and social media groups dedicated to budget travel. Share tips, ask for recommendations, and learn from each other's experiences. Most importantly, be flexible with your itinerary and embrace spontaneity. Your Venetian adventure awaits. Start planning today. Venice, with its timeless beauty and romantic allure, doesn't have to remain a dream. By embracing budget-friendly options, you can experience the magic of this captivating city without breaking the bank. From affordable accommodations and delicious budget eats to free attractions and unique experiences, Venice welcomes travelers of all budgets. With a little planning and a sense of adventure, you can create unforgettable memories in this floating masterpiece. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Venetian adventure today and discover the beauty and wonder that awaits you in this enchanting city. And don't forget to share your own affordable luxury travel tips in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget travel tips, and watch more videos about budget-friendly vacations.